Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word sympathy is a knife in depth. First, the definition. Sympathy is a knife means an expression describing sympathy as emotionally painful or sharp. Think of it simply as feeling sympathy that cuts like a sharp blade. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Sympathy is a knife poetically conveys emotional pain and is used metaphorically in literature. Over time, it's been used by writers and speakers to express complex feelings. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use sympathy as a knife in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She said sympathy is a knife when hearing about her difficult past. Correct example 2. He felt sympathy is a knife after learning about the tragedy. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to sympathy is a knife, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using sympathy is a knife correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Sympathy is a knife means an expression describing sympathy as emotionally painful or sharp. It comes from poetic metaphor about emotional pain, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with sympathy is a knife down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.